Now today we are going to design a table in HTML with row heading. So initially we designed table with column heading, but today we are going to do it with row heading. How to give row headings. So first of all, we'll go to our folder HTML, and in this folder I'm creating a file table.html. So this is my file, and in this file I'm getting my Emmet code, and here in the body section we'll be creating our table. So to create a table, our first tag is table tag, table, and here only I am giving width and border equals to, I'm giving within double quotes 1 pixel, and the width equals to 50%, and I'm giving height equals to 50%. Now we have to give row heading. So we have to first create our row tr, and in this row first we have to give heading. For heading we are using th tag, and in this th tag I'm giving a heading name. Now I will create td tag, and in this I'm giving name simple a. In second td tag I'm giving another name b, and I'm creating one more td tag. I'm giving here a name c. So here we have created our first row in which the heading is name, and there are three people whose name are A, B, and C, and those names will be shown in columns. Second, I'm creating my second row. In this row, I'm giving again heading. So for heading, we are using th. Here I'm giving designation, and here I'm creating td. Designation I'm giving it. This designation is for person A. Second designation I'm giving is CS. This is for person B, and third I'm giving it for C. I have created my second row /tr. Now I'm creating my third row. For that again I have to start tr. In tr I have to give th. I have to give heading, other heading also. I'm giving salary, and in this I have to give salary of A, B, and C. So TG, and here I'm giving salary 70,000 for A, 80,000 for B, and 90,000 for C. Now all the tags are closed. Save it and click on go live. So this is our table. This is our row heading, name, designation, and salary. Here the names are A, B, and C. Designation IT, CS, and manager, and salary is 70,000, 80,000, and 90,000. Just reduce the size.